What's up, everybody? We are here at 3120 Guyana. This is our Atlanta floor plan. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1620 square feet. And this home is about 2-3 weeks from being completed. And this home is available right now for $215,945, and it has a $5,000 allowance on it. And you can use that allowance towards upgrading the appliances, reducing the cost of the home, really anything that you want. And I wanted to show you guys through it. This house has super sick upgrades, and I would bet money that this is probably the nicest house in this entire zip code for this price. You've got this really cool wood door with 6 glass lights up here. That thing is solid. That hurt my hand. And then you'll see as we come in, you've got gray wood-like tile all through the hallway going into the family. Huge 10-foot ceilings. Here to our left, you're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Here's bed 1 up here. Really nice gray carpet in there. Bathroom 1. Beautiful framer on the mirror. Under mount sinks in the bathrooms. Here's bedroom 2. So this house still has cleaning, painting to do, and we also need to put in the window blinds, appliances, and grass. But this will give you a good idea what it looks like at this point. Got your laundry room right here, going out to the garage. And then you also have a massive walk-in pantry. This pantry is going to be right across from, ta-da, the gorgeous kitchen with painted white cabinets, a super slick upgraded backsplash. I'll go closer to that here in a second and show you. We've also got the 50/50 undermount kitchen sink with the pull-out chrome faucet. And this one's also going to have stainless steel appliances once they're installed. You've got the wood look tile all throughout the family room and dining and kitchen. 36-inch painted white cabinets. Let's get you a close-up on that backsplash. Isn't that sick? I love it. Looks amazing. So you'll have your dishwasher here, oven and microwave. And then here's a view from the kitchen looking out into the family and dining. You have tons of windows to bring in a ton of natural light. The 10-foot ceilings in here makes the space feel massive. Ceiling fan is included in here and in the master bedroom, which we'll see here in a second. You've got the full light back door. And this home also has a covered patio. Stained fence with metal posts. And the sod will probably be laid here, I would guess, in the next week or so. Big backyard. Let's go check out the master. This is going to be the family room looking towards the front door. It's just so nice looking. Huge ceilings, beautiful can lights all throughout. Going down the hallway to the front door, it almost looks like an art gallery. Look at that beautiful front door. All right, so heading into the master, you've got a coat closet right here. We're going to turn, come into our master bedroom. Again with the large 10-foot ceilings, ceiling fan, nice big room. And this will come with the blinds as well. Give you a quick walk around. We also added our 2-panel doors in here and the interior, so you see the 2 panels. Got the really nice frame around the mirror in here. Dual undermount sinks, can lights, and we've got our shower and tub with the glass half wall. We've got a huge soaker tub, big walk-in shower, and then you're also going to have your toilet area, and you've got a door here for extra privacy, big area, and a massive walk-in closet as well. And that is it for this home, guys. This home will be ready probably in about the next 2 or 3 weeks, middle of November. This home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1620 square feet. This is our Atlanta floor plan. This home is currently listed at $215,945, and as part of our end of year promotion, since this home can close quickly, you will get a $5,000 allowance on this home towards whatever you would like. The price of the home can be reduced. You can upgrade the appliances, add a fridge, washer, dryer. You can also put it towards your closing costs. And you'll always get our regular lender incentives for using our mortgage company, which is 2% of the base price of the home towards your closing costs, up to $5,000. And we will also pay for your title policy. So if you're looking for a brand new home of the finest quality at the price with a ton of incentives, come out and see me, guys. The address to this home is 3120 Guyana. We are in Fort Worth, Texas, 76123. Give me a shout, guys. Talk to you soon. Message me on whatever you're watching this on, or hit my cell phone at 817-903-3918. All right, y'all. Talk to you soon. Peace.